Welcome back to my Easy Grammar. In this class, in transformation of sentences, we go to see this type. In simple sentence, on plus V4. V4 means already I told you ing form, on plus ing or being. In complex sentence, when, as soon as in compound sentence, so and so, so and so. Already I told you these are subordinate conjunction. We should use subordinate conjunction in the beginning of the sentence or in subordinate clause only. In coordinate conjunction, we should use coordinate conjunction in between two main classes. If I say simply before the second subject. Okay, dear viewers, look at the board. The driver saw the children. The driver saw the children. So he applied the brake. He applied the brake. Which sentence is this? You find here so. So that compound sentence. Okay. Right, just now I asked you to change this into complex sentence. Here you find main verb, so that you use here when or as soon as. If you find here be form verb, am, is, or, was, were, you can use as. Okay. You see here saw, so that you use when. To change this into complex sentence, when, you write as it is. Just you remove this so only. When the driver saw the children, he applied the brake. He applied the brake. That's all. When the driver saw the children, he applied the brake. This is complex sentence. This is complex sentence. This is compound sentence. Just now I asked you to change this into simple sentence. How will you change? Which is given verb saw. Just you find out V4 of given verb. What is V4 of saw? Seeing. Already I told you all the ing verb. Seeing. Then you write as it is. Seeing the children, he applied the brake. You can use the driver instead of he. The driver applied the brake. You can use here on. On seeing the children, the driver applied the brake. This is one example. Okay? Right. On seeing the police, the thief ran away. Which sentence is on plus V4? So that this is simple sentence. Just now I ask you to change this into complex sentence. Just you use here when. Then you must use subjects. You go to the next sentence. The thief ran away. Okay. So that you write subject when the thief. What is subject here? Which is subject here? The thief. When the thief. Which tense? Ran away. Past tense. So that what is past tense of seeing? Saw. So that To identify the tense of the given verb, given sentence, you have to identify verb. You go to the next sentence and find ran. Ran is past tense, so that you find out past tense of seeing, so that saw. When the thief saw the police, then you need not write again the thief. He ran away. He ran away. That's all. This is complex sentence because you use here subordinate conjunction. You use here subordinate conjunction. This is complex sentence. Okay. Just now I asked you to change this into compound sentence. You remove this subordinate conjunction and add coordinate conjunction, so or and so, before the second subject. Here first subject the thief, second subject the he. So that in this part you have to use coordinate conjunction. Remove this when. The thief saw the police, so or and so he ran away. That's all. Here you use so or and so. So that this is compound sentence. This is compound sentence. This is one example. Okay. As he is rich, he is happy. As he is rich, he is happy. This is also complex sentence because you find here as. So that this is complex sentence. Now I ask you to change this into compound sentence. Just you remove this as. And before the second subject you use so or and so. First subject this he, second subject this he, so that you use here and so. You write he is rich and so he is happy. He is happy. Now I ask you to change. This is compound sentence. This is compound sentence. Now I ask you to change this into simple sentence. In first sentence, which is verb here, is being. So is be form verb. So that you use here being. Just you remove this. Being rich, you remove this and so also. He is happy. Dear viewers, as he is rich, he is happy. You find here as subordinate conjunction, so that this is complex sentence. When you change this into compound sentence, just you remove this subordinate conjunction and add coordinate conjunction between before the second subject here. When you change this into simple sentence, you find here be form verb is. Instead of is, just you add being only. Just you remove this he. Being rich, you remove this and so he is happy. That's all. This is simple sentence. This is simple sentence. Dear viewers, I believe that you should be understood very well. If you like this video, please subscribe. Whenever I upload my videos, you can get it. I will meet you in your next video, in next type, in simple compound complex. Okay, bye, see you. Thank you.